you will now need to access the vehicle's aux option. Now, when holding the back button for around 2 seconds, you will be able to access the Adaptiv MINI HDMI screen. By sourcing your own smartphone adapter, you can attach this to the HDMI output. Now, when you attach your smartphone, you will be able to see the phone's display up on your vehicle's OEM screen. You can then utilise apps like Google Maps and Waze to turn your original stereo display into a sat-nav system. Shifting into reverse now switches the screen's display to that of the reverse camera feed, allowing you to reverse with ease. Additionally, when shifting back into park, neutral or drive, the front camera view will now showcase on the car's display. This will showcase until you pick up a moderate speed.